It's still raining, but I feel like I have to do this video. I want more people to subscribe. Let's go down here. Wow. Showed you that before. Is this the bathroom? I think that's the bathroom. And that's the stairs. To upstairs. Up it. Someone was literally, some random old man was literally staring at me. That's why I run too fast. But I can't show you this room because I don't know where the unlocker is. It's wet, it's disgusting, but I still have to do this video. Look at all these mushrooms. Wet. Wet, 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 wet. Oh my goodness me. Diddly daddly doos. I will see you in the next part. Bye bye.